Hi guys, welcome to Mariah's World of Happiness. Today I'm gonna make mojito drink. These are the ingredients: mint leaves, lemon, powdered sugar, ice, soda, and lemonade drink. So let's start. First, we need the glass. And now we're gonna put mint leaves. Now let's do the next one. Now we're gonna put lemon and we're gonna pick it up. Okay, now let's put the powdered sugar. Don't forget to put 2 teaspoons. Oopsies. Now we're gonna mix. Mix it up. I think that's enough. Now let's put some ice. One, 2, 3. Okay, now let's put the soda. Oopsies. Let's leave some space for the lemon juice. Let's put lemon juice. Enough, I think. Now let's put the lemon. This one over here. There we go. Now let's add the straw. And then mix. Okay, it's finally done. Now let's taste it. That really tastes good. Dalawa. Dapat isa. Dalawa. Tatlo.
May ikaw na eh. Nakasiman ka na.
Wait, what? This is a good drink for summer. Thank you for watching Mariah's World of Happiness. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!